Okay guys, so the seeds shop just restocked, and then there was a beanstalk. It's cream stock, I think so. But like, how rare is that? I got it on the second restock when I just joined. Give me trowel. I need a lot of space for this. Are you kidding me right now? I need to unfake with it. I swear, dude. What I'm collecting? Oh my god, dude! Bro! You cannot even give me to just plant my beanstalk, dude. Wait, I forgot. Beanstalk was... Oh my god. How much does this even cost? Bro! Awkward. Gonna need more spaces. And then you're going right about here. Okay, and then let me just put my sprinklers. Go. Okay guys, so the beanstalk is ready. It's fully grown. You just need to just like go some parkour. I can definitely travel it. Just gonna put it right there. Wait, actually no. There. Okay guys, so bye.